What's going on, you guys? James OJ here once again, and I'm back here with a Nintendo Switch video for you guys. And it's the first ever Nintendo Switch controller to have a headphone jack. So you can actually play online off of the TV and you don't have to go into handheld mode. So we're going to unbox this and you're just going to get my first impression of it. Never opened this. I've only seen videos of it, but I've never seen it in real life. So we're just going to get onto it. This is a different color than I wanted, but I don't care about the color. I care about the quality, about what it does. So I made one mistake. When you use the knife, well, first, you're supposed to have it. By the way, if any of you guys out there are kids, if you're opening stuff with knives, get your parents to help you. One more. There we go. I kind of busted it a little bit, but that's fine. Alright, let's get this thing open. I'm so excited, guys. I'm really shaky. Oh, shoot. Okay, this is a little better than the other one I wanted because it has a detachable thing to it. So it's going to be a lot safer. Instructions. I know how to use a controller though, so I think I'm going to need the instructions here. Okay, we got that out. Oh, yeah, guys. Right there. That's the big thing right there. Oh man, guys, this feels so much like an Xbox. Here's a comparison to the Xbox One controller. It feels so much like the Xbox One controller. So it pretty much looks the same too. And then here's a comparison with the original Pro controller. See the difference, you guys? Oh, jeez. That's a big difference right there. I'm probably going to have this as my main controller now. And just have this as like a backup controller and stuff. So I'm probably going to have this be my main controller. Because this looks so much cooler and it feels way better. Because I used to play on the Xbox. Now I'm getting more into Switch gaming. So yeah, you guys. And then here's the cord. 10-foot cable, which is really good because I play games for a good distance from my TV because I have a big TV. So, let's see here. Can I undo the rest of it? Might not be able to. Oh, yeah, I can. At least that's what it looks like. Oh, yep. Here we go. There we go. I'll leave that. I don't really need that. Guys, 10-foot cable right here. Man, this thing is going to really be beneficial. And plus, it disconnects. So, if anything, I would just have to replace the cable. I don't have to replace the entire controller. But this thing shouldn't break now. Because it's... if a dog or a kid runs across it, it will just come out of the controller. So, this is really awesome, guys. 10-foot cord. You can actually game on the TV now, and you don't have to take it, use it in handheld mode every time you want to game online. So yeah, till next time, YouTube's JoJoJ. See ya!